Upon receipt of the NICE1 unit, the following items should be found within the bag. The unit itself, an 8x8x8 cube with a touchscreen interface. A hose. Power block. Power cord. And drain attachment. Should any items be missing, please contact your NICE representative. The first step in setting up the NICE1 is providing power. Begin by plugging the two-pronged power cord into the corresponding slot located on the power block, as you see here. Then, plug the four-pronged end originating from the power block into the back of the NICE1 unit with the release lever pointing up. One of the strongest benefits of the NICE1 is the fact that no ice is needed. Once powered, it's time to add the small amount of water needed to run the machine. Unscrew the cap to the reservoir and fill the tank with approximately 1 cup of water. Keep filling until the top of the reservoir is just barely submerged. Make sure the water level is not all the way up to the threads for the cap, as overfilling will negatively impact the function of the machine. Once appropriately filled, screw the reservoir cap back on. Finally, it's time to connect the hose. Each end of the hose is identical, so select one end and join it with the unit. Make sure the blue release tab is facing towards the outside of the machine, the opposite direction of the touchscreen. You will hear an audible click signaling the hose is properly and completely connected. The unit is now ready to be outfitted with the wrap best suited for your recovery.